Many schoolbooks present Columbus as the famous explorer who discovered America. Everyone learns in school that Columbus discovered America in 1492. But this is not actually true. Many people were already living in North America. He did make it into what we now call the Caribbean. When Columbus first set foot on Hispaniola, he thought he had reached India. Even until death, he still firmly believing that he had traveled to the eastern part of Asia. He wrote of the Taino people that inhabited it. They never refuse anything that's asked for. They even offer it themselves and show such a lot of love that they might give their very hearts. They willingly traded jewelry, animals, and supplies with the sailors. They were very well built, with very handsome bodies and very good faces. Columbus wrote in his diary, Columbus had two goals in the Caribbean: seek out gold and slaves. The indigenous peoples were soon forced into slavery, would punish with the loss of a limb or death if they didn't collect enough gold. Only 2/3 of the Taínos survived just 4 years after Columbus, while some were killed. Others succumbed to diseases, and fully half of the dead killed themselves rather than live with his tyranny.